I'm filming this for record that watching Brady mix paint gives me anxiety.
Some say I'm living in the moment. I say motion, I ain't got no potion, but we can touch the sky.
I'm Carlie, and this is Brady. In early 2020, we sold our house and most of our possessions and took our first big leap into living our vagabond dreams. We recently hiked 800 miles of the Appalachian Trail, and now we are purchasing a sailboat to start sailing around the world, all while capturing a creative journal of the journey. We hope to inspire you to live your own dreams. Subscribe, and thanks for watching. We really are trying to get better at filming. It's hard when all you're doing is working your booty off. We are attaching our dinghy lifting kit. This is the regular dinghy lifting kit. It's basically just the dinghy eye things. We are attaching those while we wait on our second coat of green paint on the squares to dry so we can paint our third. And it is handy that...
It's scary if there was water right here.
Yes, 100%. You can buy new screws. You can't buy a new body. So do it over water. You could, and just have a pack of screws or something. Bolts, they're probably bolts. Because then it's a lot less frightening. Doesn't the name look so pretty? Yeah, so it's really nice. Brady is 6'1" and can sort of reach. I do agree, it is frightening. Like, just please don't fall. You know.
This radar pole doesn't interfere.
Finally open the dinghy. Yeah, there's no way that shadow's gonna reach, but this massive box is our dinghy. Still have a single solar panel for sale. Hey. But yeah, this massive box is our dinghy, which it actually arrived before we did, and we still haven't looked at it.
What's up?
So we have this part, which is, yeah, bronze. And it looks like that. It's 30 years old.
This part.
Yeah, we need that guy off.
We need to get this off of this.
Yes. So, looking that up, we saw that a 4-part mixture of water, vinegar, flour, and salt, and creating a paste, and then you put that on whatever metal you're needing to, I don't know, it's like clean or decorrode, whatever it is, all the things. And so let it sit for a few hours and then clean it off and then repeat if needed. So we're gonna find out. We did not add water to our 4-part mixture because why follow instructions?
I didn't know there was water in the mixture. You told me.
I told you water. I did tell you water in the car. I did say water.
Okay.
As I've said multiple times, it's 4 parts. Also, loving Brady shorts. They're amazing. So, now we're gonna let that sit. And hopefully it works. We'll keep you posted. We'll test it. Let you know if it does or not. And then, yeah, just make a little paste and there you go. Just realized I never hit record. I was recording them, driving that in, except I wasn't. Wah, wah.
What?
But yeah, it's a tight fit, is what I was saying. Tight little squeeze. But Brian, over there, is a pro. He's got it. But we're going back in the sling. And then we'll do the underneath where the blocks are and hang in the sling for a bit. very exciting. I'm happy for the tape. It would be so sad if my things got messed up. I mean the paper, but they really touch higher up than the bottom paint, but yeah.
We're in the sling.
Oh my gosh, yeah. It's time! So exciting. It's like a certain kind of finesse.
Back in the water she goes. Do I need to go get on board? Okay.
Guys, we're in the water. Oh, it feels so good to be back in the water. Oh, we're in the water. And guess what? Don't have to worry about getting up to go to the bathroom because there is the bathroom. Showers, toilets, big sink to do our bucket of dishes.
We're free.
We're free. Oh my gosh.
Not paying.
Feels so good. Yeah, so once they move you to the dock, you don't have to pay anymore. You gotta pay up to get to the dock. But yeah, now you're not paying by the day, by the foot anymore. That's done. It's paid for.
Any idea where our green cups are?
They're all dirty. They're in this bucket.
They're all dirty.
They're all dirty. Feels so good. Getting a little breeze and a little shade right now. It is a brutally hot day. Oh my gosh.
Alright, I'm gonna pull the car forward, I guess.
Oh yeah, pull it in. Well, they're doing something right now. You can't pull up close.
Okay.
Give it a bit.
So I need a
Feels
cup.
good.
I'm so thirsty.
Brady's on one track mind of thirsty. Finally.
The scissors are not touching that.
No. You have to use the knife. Oh, it doesn't even need it. The box is so deflated. Here, let me slide this off. There we go.
Oh yeah, it's sitting with water. And actually, hold on.
Oh yeah. Oh, in case we need that. It is full of nasty water. I don't. Let's be careful opening it so that nasty water doesn't dump into the brand
These
new.
are yours.
Okay, brand new clean boat. Oh, I think I just saw a cockroach. I don't know what that was, but I don't. Ooh. So, yeah, that one. Maybe try the knife instead of the scissors. You're gonna have to use it like a saw. Oh, watch out. That is a...
Hornet's nest?
Yep. Wasp nest. Just so you all know, he did ask me to film. I'm not just getting out of work. I'm sharing this process with all of you. And this guy has been tied up like that for a long time. Hopefully the silver stuff hasn't like adhered to it from like melting. Thinking to just like tip it on its side.
Yep, that's exactly what I'm gonna do.
Yeah, I think so. Who knows what might crawl out of that? Okay. Time to set her free. Time to set Bill the pony free. Ugh.
I want this string.
Yeah, no joke.
We don't have any string.
No, and it's been covered up so it's not like UV damaged. It's been boxed up this whole time. All right, saving some string. Opening some dinghy. Hopefully all the bugs skedaddle.
Scattered.
Yeah. And they're bringing the tractor for us. Gosh, that is packaged up.
It's good.
Yeah, very good. Very good.
2 months?
2 months? You guys never even blew it up?
It's just been in a box. Do you want me to? Yes, no joke. Do you want me to take that?
I'll open up the dumpster.
Yay! Dinghy time! It's exciting. Real exciting. Oh, interesting. I was wondering what the plan was for this. Drained. Nasty water out. Plug back in and to the boat we go. There she goes. There she goes. She's so pretty and clean. Gosh, that's not gonna last long. Good evening. It's been a hot second since we've filmed anything. Because I highly doubt Brady filmed today. I definitely didn't film today. Didn't have enough battery power for that. It is Saturday, March 13th, in case you were wondering. And yeah, as you've seen, we are on the dock here at Charlotte Harbor. Sun's going down on the dock instead of on the hard, which feels fantastic. Brady's been hard at work running cables and wires and hooking up solar all day. He was going to be mounting our hard rigid panels, but I left to go to Miami and we realized that I had all of the hardware for hooking those up in the car. So he couldn't do that. So he has been hard at work, which I'm gonna let him finish and then I'm going to make him go through that whole process for you all. And chat about what he did, show it, what worked, what didn't work, what he wishes he had a better solution for, all that kind of thing. But for now, he's just working away. I think by the end of this evening, oh yeah, what is that smell?
I think somebody might be trying to charcoal.
Okay.
And
they're just burning lighter fluid?
Maybe, I don't know, but it's like really sharp scented.
Interesting. So yeah, I think by the end of the evening, our 3 flexible panels, so I believe we did the math earlier, and it's like 525 watts of flexible panels, will be hooked up to our batteries and bringing in the power if there's still light. But yeah, that, which is really awesome and very exciting. We have 2 on our bimini and 1 forward on our deck. And then we've got our 2 rigid panels, which will happen tomorrow. So, quick little, huh? Start on them tonight. Sounds great. Whatever.
You're running out of time.
We are running out of time. Yes, we are. So I'm gonna give you a quick view of the boat because it's bad. It's real bad. And I don't want any of you thinking we're perfect by any means, because that's not the case, and the boat's a mess. So, here you go. We have the cockpit. Some of this goes here, some of it very much doesn't. My very dead lavender, it's very sad. We've got more stuff up there. Dishes, tubs, tools, wires, boxes, line, soap. Yeah, you get the idea. The front of the boat? Yeah, it's the same. It's cable that Brady was gonna try and sell. Fenders, tubs, chairs. There's that solar panel. Stuff that goes in that locker. Oh, I'm getting bit. Stuff that goes in that locker. Bet that's where we need to be for hooking all this up. Yeah, it's a hot mess. Printer here, which I'm planning on setting up this evening. And then over there, which we're looking at the sun, so sorry, it's kind of bright. But over there is our rigid panels, starboard, more stuff that's ours, and our car is just back there somewhere, which needs unloaded still. Yeah, that is working on the boat life. That's what that is.